Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the NuPhy Air60 V2 portable wireless keyboard, a 60% low-profile mechanical keyboard that's built for performance and portability. If you're looking for a compact, sleek, and versatile keyboard that works across multiple platforms, this could be exactly what you need. Let's dive into the features that make the NuPhy Air60 V2 stand out. First off, the design is super slim and lightweight, making it easy to carry around for work or travel. Despite being ultra-portable, it doesn't sacrifice on build quality. The keyboard feels solid and well-crafted. The low-profile keys offer a comfortable typing experience that's both quiet and responsive, perfect for long typing sessions. Now, let's talk about the performance. This keyboard uses Gateron Cowberry switches, which provide a satisfying tactile feel with a smooth actuation. Whether you're typing up documents, coding, or gaming, the switches deliver excellent feedback without being too loud, making it great for shared workspaces or quiet environments. What really sets the NuPhy Air60 V2 apart is its versatility. It supports Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C connections, so you have multiple ways to connect it to your devices. It's compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it an excellent choice for anyone with a multi-device setup. Switching between devices is seamless, and you can even pair up to 4 devices, which is perfect if you want to use it with your laptop, phone, tablet, or desktop all at once. Another major highlight is the keyboard's support for QMK and VIA, which allows for full customization of your key switches and layout. Whether you're a developer, gamer, or just someone who loves tweaking their setup, you'll appreciate the flexibility these features provide. Battery life is impressive as well. You get up to 50 hours of continuous use on a single charge with backlighting off, and if you need a quick charge, the USB-C port makes it easy to plug in and keep going. Overall, the NuPhy Air60 V2 is a fantastic keyboard for anyone who needs a portable, reliable, and customizable typing experience. It combines the best of mechanical key switches with a sleek, compact design, all while offering great connectivity options. You can click the link below to get the NuPhy Air60 V2 today for the best price. Don't miss out on this versatile and high-quality keyboard for your setup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.